Today we are picking some green olives from the farm to show you how to make cured olives in brine. It's a very easy method with 3 simple steps.
Τσακιστές όμως, βάλουμε τες στο νερό, κάνουν 3-4 ημέρες.
These olives will be ready to eat in just 8 days and they can remain good in the brine for 1 year. My grandparents have been growing and preserving olives for 60 years. They are 93 and 97 years old. Today they will tell us how to cure olives to eat in brine. It is from them that I get all the extra virgin olive oil and olives I need for the restaurant for 15 years now and for free.
8 ποτήρια νερό, 1 ποτήρι άλας.
This year we have used 600 liters olive oil and 200 kilograms olives so far. So let's start with the process of curing the olives we just picked. Wash the olives with water. Step 1. Split open all of the olives using a stone or anything heavy from your kitchen. Be careful here, you don't want to break the olive pit inside. Step 2. Put cracked olives in a jar and fill it with water. Place the jar in a cool, dark place for 4 days. Change water twice a day. Water will remove the bitter flavor from the olives. Step 3. After 4 days have passed, remove the water from the olives and pour in the brine. To make the brine, mix 1 part of salt with 8 parts of water and use as much as you need to fill the jar to the top. Keep the olives in the brine in a cool, dark place for 4 more days. This time, you don't need to change the brine every day. Take the olives out of the brine, wash them and garnish with extra virgin olive oil, garlic, lemon, coriander or oregano. Olives stay in water for 4 days and 4 more days in brine, and they are ready to eat. You can keep them in the brine for 1 year until you decide to eat them. Bon appetit! I hope you enjoy your homemade olives. Thank you for watching.